In this review, plants make a lovely addition to any home until they dry out, drop leaves, or die. Realistic-looking fake plants add a touch of green to your living space, no water required. We researched dozens of fake plants from the most popular home sites, evaluating quality, appearance, and overall value. Our favorite, the Pure Garden Artificial Fiddle Leaf Fig Tree, is full, lush, and set in a sturdy pot. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best fake plants. Let's get started. Number 5. Nearly Nature Artificial Large Boston. If you are searching for a fake plants, the Nearly Nature Artificial Large Boston review on our list is ideal for you. If you're looking for a hanging plant, it's pretty hard to go wrong with a fern. And it's even harder to go wrong with an artificial one. Why? If you've seen a live fern up close, you know its leaves look thin and papery, so it's particularly hard to tell faux ferns apart from the real thing. Plus, your faux fern won't shed or brown at the edges, and that's always a good thing. Home Depot's artificial large Boston fern comes in a woven basket that makes it particularly easy to hang. And it boasts the thin, fluffy leaves you'd expect to find on a real fern. Also nice, the plant is lined with unwieldy stems that stick out here and there. Number 4. FOPAMTRI Artificial Monstera Deliciosa Plant. The next product we have got on our list is the FOPAMTRI Artificial Monstera Deliciosa plant. Available in 3 different sizes, this faux monstera will instantly elevate any space in your home. It has the same style of split leaves that the tropical plant typically has, along with bark and stems that look super realistic. You can place the simple black pot into another planter or basket for a decorative touch. It is nestled inside an understated round black pot for versatile appeal, but you can always tuck it into another pot of your choice, so it fits right into your ensemble. This monstera tree will create a sunny atmosphere wherever you place it. Number 3. Nearly Natural Bougainvillea Basket Silk. A rustic wicker basket provides a stylish and stable base for this large plant. The cascading flowers and foliage is the perfect finishing touch. Hanging plants can be hard to take care of, but a faux version doesn't need to be watered from so high up. This hanging basket plant from Nearly Natural adds a colorful pop to your home without taking up any floor space. It's adorned with bright pink flowers and cascading vines that hang around the wicker planter. Even though it's fake, this plant looks and feels surprisingly real, and that's probably because the brand's products are designed by horticulturists. Number 2. Augshy 16-pack Artificial Unpotted Succulents. Succulents are supposed to be easy to take care of, but if you have a serious black thumb, you know that even they can present a challenge. Thankfully, faux succulents abound, and you can often score a bunch of realistic-looking options in a budget-friendly variety pack like Augshy Store's 16-pack of artificial unpotted succulents. The set comes with 16 different fake succulents, which mimic favorites like Cathoria and Echeveria plants. But unlike many other fake plants, these faux succulents come completely unpotted. This would normally be a downside because it means more work for you. But since we were dealing with tiny succulents, it's actually a plus. You can choose whether to pot your succulents individually or whether to compile them into a low-profile garden. Each faux succulent boasts a sleek built-in stem. You can easily rearrange them whenever you want to. Number 1. Nearly Natural Golden Cane Palm. Looking to transform your space with the addition of just one faux plant? Nearly Natural's Golden Cane Palm Silk Tree is up to the task. The plant is a whopping 6'6" tall, so it should make an eye-catching addition to just about any room. And since its leaves are crafted from delicate silk, they promise to look incredibly realistic. The faux tree boasts 3 narrow trunks, which feed into a series of 333 palm leaves. That's a significant amount of faux greenery, and one that promises to leave the tree looking incredibly lush. Our tester found it to be the most realistic of the fake plants she's tried, with easily malleable leaves and intentional imperfections. The trunk manages to capture the rubbery feel that some palm leaves can have, she said. It also stays lifelike by impersonating imperfections, like the brown and yellow that can appear on trunks and branches, so that the tree looks like a natural, healthy plant.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.